Hi, this is CMA and welcome to my channel. Our channel has a lot of resources lined up for CMA students to prepare for their upcoming exam. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to the channel to get regular updates on MCQs, case study solutions, paper analysis, etc. And we have a Telegram group, and the link is given in the description. So the material that we are sharing in this video and in all our videos, we will be sharing that in the Telegram group. So if you want this material or the presentation being used, you can join the Telegram group. Coming to today's video, today we will be taking section A of Cost Accounting Question Paper, June 2024 attempt, CMA Inter. So our first question is to choose a method of dealing with overheads which involves spreading of the cost over cost centers. So whenever there is a spreading of cost, it is called as apportionment. You're apportioning the cost between cost centers. Which of the following cost accounting standards deals with principles and methods of determining production and operation overheads? It is CAS 3. Hotel Dream House is having 250 rooms, which is 70% occupied during the summer season and 40% occupied during winter season. Okay, it is 6 months that has to be taken as summer and winter, and in a month we have to assume 30 days. What is the total occupied room days? So it will be 250, which is 70% occupied for 6 months for 30 days, plus we will have again 250 rooms, which is 40% occupied for 6 months, and each month has 30 days. So solving this, we will get the answer to be 49,500. Which of the following methods of pricing cost lag behind the current economic values? It is the FIFO method. In a process, 800 units were introduced during 2023-24. 5% is the normal loss. 60% is the closing work in progress completion for 100 units. 60 completed units were transferred to next process. What is the equivalent production? So equivalent production, we have to convert this work in progress into equivalent completed units. So 100 units, okay, multiplied by 60 percentage will give you the completed units of the work in progress, proportional completed units of work in progress. Then 660 units as such. Okay. So the answer will be 720 units. Following information is available and you are required to calculate inventory turnover ratio. The inventory turnover ratio is 6. Inventory turnover ratio formula is material consumed by average inventory. So opening plus closing by 2. PV ratio 20%, margin of safety is 30%. What will be the profit as a part of sales? It will be 6%. How to calculate? Margin of safety is profit by PV ratio. Profit by okay It is profit by PV ratio, that is equal to margin of safety. So now profit will be margin of safety into PV ratio, which is 20% into 30%. That will be 6%. In P Limited, the labor force at the beginning of July 2023 is 3,800. At the end, it is 4,200. 50 workers left while 80 workers were discharged. 560 workers were engaged, out of which 60 were reappointed. So here a lot of unnecessary things are just given just to confuse you. So you need to find out the labor turnover ratio using flux method. Flux method is half of separation plus addition by your average labor force. Okay, half of addition plus separation by average labor force. So here it will be half of 50 plus 80. How many separations are there? 50 workers left, 80 discharged. So 50 plus 80 is the total separation. And how many additions are there? 560 is the total addition. Out of which 60 were reappointed, we need not consider that. Okay, addition is 560 and separation is 50 plus 80. So half of that will give you the numerator, and average workforce, it is 3,800 plus 4,200 by 2. So solving this, you will get 8.63 to be the answer. If an organization has all the resources it needs for production and the principal budget factor is most likely to be, so it has all resources for its production. So there is no deficiency in the resources angle. So the most important, the principal factor will be your sales demand. A sum of direct labor and factory overheads is called as conversion cost. How the raw material is being converted into finished goods using the direct labor and factory overheads. So direct labor and factory overheads is conversion cost. RST and Co. has set up a laboratory for testing products for compliance with its standards. Salary for laboratory staff is a quality control cost, because testing is to check the quality, so it has to come under quality control cost. A company requires 1 lakh units of an item annually. Cost per unit is 10. Ordering cost is 500 and carrying cost is 50. So it is just applying your EOQ formula, which is square root of 2 into demand into ordering cost by carrying cost. And the answer will be 4472 units. Which of the following method is used for evaluation of equivalent production when the prices are fluctuating? When prices are fluctuating, we use weighted average method. In the year 2023-24, X and Co used 2820 kg of material at a standard cost of 11,562 and the material usage variance was 123. In the above, the standard weight of material for the period is, so actual quantity is given, which is 2820. Total standard cost is 11,562. So 11,562 by 2820 will give you 4.1, which is the standard cost per unit. And what is material usage variance? Material usage variance is actual quantity minus standard quantity into standard rate, which is 123 given in the question. Okay, so here actual quantity is given 2820, standard rate is given 4.1, usage variance is there. So you just have to solve the equation and you will get the answer to be 2850. So in the next video, we will take section B of this question paper. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next discussion. Thank you.